All right. I was on vacation for 3 weeks. I printed these two papers before I left with my sublimation printer. I converted an Epson EcoTank 2840 over to sublimation by adding sublimation ink. And so I did these two prints. I did not reverse them, and I just printed them on plain paper. So now we're going to see after 3 weeks how the print looks for the first time. So now I added a piece of sublimation paper, and I'm going to print this in regular high quality reverse mode, and we'll see what we get. Okay, here it goes. I'm curious to see if my ink pads dried out. I would note that this room was only about 60 degrees, and when I came home the humidity was only at 20%. Our humidifiers were turned off, and so we will see how this goes. I have left for 2 weeks at a time before, but never for 3. And in the past, after 2 weeks, there was a little bit of dryness and I had to run some purge pages, but let's see what happens today. Well, I have to say, it is looking very, very good. I don't think I had any dry up, but let's wait and see the finished product. Well, I am pleasantly surprised. This is fresh out of the printer here, and it looks perfect. The color is perfect. I don't think I had any dryness happen. Now, this is just me. I'm not saying this is going to be for everyone, but this was 3 weeks of not printing anything with my Epson EcoTank 2840 that I converted over to sublimation printing. So I just wanted to reiterate that I am in Minnesota. It's very dry in Minnesota in January. So I don't know, if these results would vary from state to state. But for me, I am pleasantly surprised and very happy. Please see links below. And I also will have a link below of how I converted this Epson EcoTank for sublimation printing. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.